Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best kids sports accessories out there, the EyeBlack Anti-Glare Under Eye Black Sports Grease Stick. Whether your child is gearing up for a football game, hitting the softball field, or taking part in any other sports, this product is designed to enhance their performance while adding a fun touch of team spirit. First off, what makes this EyeBlack stand out from the rest is its easy-to-use design. It comes in a twistable stick form, so applying it under the eyes is a breeze. No more messing with messy face paint or struggling with traditional EyeBlack. Simply twist, apply, and you're good to go. It's perfect for kids who want to quickly get into the game without any hassle. The grease stick does more than just add a cool look to your young athlete's face. Its primary function is to reduce glare from the sun or stadium lights, which is incredibly important during those intense game moments. This allows your child to focus fully on the game without distraction, helping them perform at their best. This product isn't just for sports, it's versatile enough for tailgates, pep rallies, and fan events. Let your child show off their team colors with pride, whether they're cheering from the stands or playing on the field. Its waterproof, oil-based formula ensures that it lasts throughout the game, even in hot and sweaty conditions. No need to worry about it fading or smearing during action-packed moments. For the parents out there, this EyeBlack is also skin-friendly and easy to remove. After the game, a simple wipe will get rid of it without any fuss, making cleanup just as easy as application. Plus, it's made for all ages, so whether you're buying it for your young athlete or a seasoned pro, it works for everyone. In terms of packaging, it's compact and travel-friendly. The tube is small enough to fit in any sports bag, and the twist-up design ensures there's no mess when you store it. It's truly a game-changer for anyone looking for a reliable and effective EyeBlack solution. So if you're looking for a way to give your child the edge in their next game, while also letting them express their team spirit, the EyeBlack Anti-Glare Under Eye Black Sports Grease Stick is definitely worth checking out. Simple to apply, long-lasting, and effective at reducing glare, it's a must-have accessory for every young athlete. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.